Introduction. Do women secretly love stoic men? Stoicism, often associated with emotional control, resilience, and unshakable confidence, has long been admired as a masculine ideal. But in today's world of vulnerability and open expression, do women still find stoic men attractive? Is there something about a man who remains calm under pressure, unfazed by drama, and deeply self-sufficient that sparks curiosity or even desire? In this exploration, we'll uncover whether women are secretly drawn to stoic men and why this timeless trait continues to hold a mysterious appeal. Emotional stability and confidence. Emotional stability and confidence are essential traits that contribute to a fulfilling and successful life. Emotional stability refers to the ability to manage emotions effectively, remain calm under pressure, and handle stress without becoming overwhelmed. It allows individuals to navigate life's challenges with resilience and maintain a positive outlook even in difficult situations. People with emotional stability are less likely to be reactive or impulsive, enabling them to make rational decisions and build healthier relationships. Confidence, on the other hand, is the belief in one's abilities and self-worth. A confident person trusts themselves to face new challenges, take risks, and pursue their goals without fear of failure. Confidence is not about arrogance, but rather about self-assurance and a strong sense of self-acceptance. When combined with emotional stability, confidence allows individuals to remain composed, optimistic, and motivated in all aspects of life. Both emotional stability and confidence can be developed through self-awareness, practice, and perseverance. Engaging in mindfulness, self-reflection, and stress management techniques can improve emotional regulation. Similarly, setting small goals, celebrating achievements, and stepping out of comfort zones help in building confidence. Supportive relationships and a healthy lifestyle also contribute to overall emotional well-being. In conclusion, emotional stability and confidence work together to create a balanced and empowered individual. Those who cultivate these qualities are better equipped to handle setbacks, communicate effectively, and pursue their dreams with determination. By continuously developing emotional strength and self-belief, individuals can lead happier, more successful lives. Mystery and intrigue have captivated human imagination for centuries, drawing readers and audiences into a world of suspense, secrets, and unanswered questions. These elements create a sense of curiosity and anticipation, compelling people to seek the truth hidden beneath layers of deception and uncertainty. Whether in literature, film, or real life, mystery evokes a thrilling experience where every clue brings us closer to the resolution. From classic detective stories like Sherlock Holmes to modern psychological thrillers, mystery fuels the mind with endless possibilities. It engages the audience by challenging them to piece together puzzles, analyze motives, and anticipate twists. Intrigue, on the other hand, adds an element of complexity and deception, making the journey unpredictable. Characters in mystery narratives often find themselves caught in webs of lies, secret societies, or enigmatic riddles, forcing them to uncover hidden truths. The appeal of mystery and intrigue lies in their ability to evoke emotions, fear, excitement, and suspense. They mirror real-world experiences where not everything is as it seems, and people must navigate uncertainties. This genre also explores the darker sides of human nature, exposing themes of betrayal, greed, and obsession. Mystery and intrigue keep audiences on edge, ensuring that every revelation leads to even more questions. Ultimately, the allure of mystery is its ability to stimulate the imagination and challenge perception. It reminds us that beneath the surface of every story, there is always more to discover, waiting to be unraveled. Self-sufficiency. Self-sufficiency is the ability to rely on oneself for basic needs, including food, shelter, and financial stability, without excessive dependence on others. It is a valuable skill that fosters independence, resilience, and confidence in both individuals and communities. A self-sufficient person takes responsibility for their well-being, learns essential life skills, and adapts to challenges without waiting for external aid. One key aspect of self-sufficiency is financial independence. Earning a stable income, managing expenses wisely, and saving for the future enable individuals to avoid unnecessary debt and financial stress. Additionally, self-sufficiency in food production, such as growing a home garden or learning basic cooking skills, reduces reliance on processed foods and external supply chains. Beyond material needs, emotional and intellectual self-sufficiency is also important. Those who develop problem-solving skills, emotional resilience, and self-motivation can navigate life's ups and downs with greater ease. While seeking support from others is natural, a self-sufficient mindset ensures that one does not become overly dependent on external validation or assistance. In today's fast-paced and interconnected world, self-sufficiency does not mean complete isolation. Instead, it involves striking a balance between independence and collaboration. By developing practical skills, taking personal responsibility, and cultivating a mindset of self-reliance, individuals can lead more fulfilling lives and contribute positively to society. Ultimately, self-sufficiency empowers people to take control of their own destinies and thrive in any circumstance. Resilience and reliability are two essential qualities that contribute to success in both personal and professional life. Resilience refers to the ability to recover from difficulties, adapt to challenges, and continue moving forward despite setbacks. It is a trait that enables individuals, organizations, and systems to withstand adversity and emerge stronger. Resilient people remain optimistic, learn from failures, and develop problem-solving skills that help them navigate uncertainties. On the other hand, reliability is the quality of being consistent, dependable, and trustworthy. A reliable person or system performs tasks accurately and consistently over time, ensuring that others can depend on them. Reliability fosters trust, strengthens relationships, and enhances productivity. In professional settings, reliable employees meet deadlines, fulfill commitments, and maintain a high standard of work, making them valuable assets to any organization. While resilience helps in overcoming challenges, reliability ensures stability and consistency. Both qualities complement each other, forming a strong foundation for success. For instance, a resilient leader remains composed during crises, while a reliable leader ensures that responsibilities are met regardless of circumstances. Similarly, resilient businesses adapt to market changes, while reliable businesses maintain quality and service standards. Developing resilience requires self-awareness, emotional intelligence, and perseverance, while reliability demands discipline, responsibility, and integrity. By cultivating both traits, individuals and organizations can navigate challenges effectively, build long-term trust, and achieve sustained success. In a world full of uncertainties, resilience and reliability remain key pillars of strength and dependability. Masculine energy. Masculine energy is a dynamic force that embodies strength, leadership, and action. It is often associated with qualities such as confidence, discipline, resilience, and the ability to take charge in challenging situations. Unlike feminine energy, which is more receptive and nurturing, masculine energy is assertive and goal-oriented. It thrives on structure, logic, and problem-solving, making it essential for achieving success in various aspects of life, including career, relationships, and personal development. In relationships, masculine energy provides stability and direction. A person with strong masculine energy is often seen as a protector and provider, taking responsibility for their actions and guiding others with clarity and purpose. However, true masculine energy is not about dominance or aggression. It is about control, wisdom, and the ability to act with integrity. When balanced, it creates harmony by complementing feminine energy, leading to healthy and fulfilling connections. In personal growth, masculine energy drives ambition and perseverance. It pushes individuals to take risks, face challenges head-on, and embrace failure as a stepping stone to success. It encourages a mindset of accountability, discipline, and continuous improvement. However, excessive masculine energy can lead to rigidity, emotional suppression, or an overemphasis on competition. Thus, it is crucial to balance it with feminine energy to create a holistic and fulfilling life. When properly harnessed, masculine energy empowers individuals to lead with confidence, inspire others, and achieve greatness while maintaining emotional depth and compassion. Balance is key. Balance is essential in every aspect of life. Whether it is work and personal life, health and leisure, or emotions and logic, Maintaining equilibrium leads to greater happiness and success. When people focus too much on one area, they often neglect other important aspects, causing stress, burnout, or dissatisfaction. For example, working excessively without rest can lead to exhaustion and health issues. While prioritizing relaxation, too much may result in unproductivity. Striking a balance ensures that all areas of life receive adequate attention and energy. Similarly, mental and emotional balance is crucial for overall well-being. Too much stress or overthinking can lead to anxiety, while being overly carefree may cause irresponsibility. Finding the right mix of discipline and flexibility helps individuals navigate challenges more effectively. In relationships, balance is necessary to maintain healthy communication, mutual respect, and personal space. A well-balanced relationship allows both individuals to grow together while maintaining their individuality. Nature itself thrives on balance, showing that it is fundamental to life. The balance of ecosystems, the cycle of day and night, and even the balance within our bodies demonstrate how crucial it is for stability and harmony. By striving for balance, people can lead more fulfilling lives, make better decisions, and maintain peace of mind. When balance is achieved, life becomes more manageable, enjoyable, and meaningful. Therefore, understanding and applying balance in all aspects of life is the key to long-term happiness and success. Cultural and personal preferences shape the way people think, behave, and interact with the world around them. Culture influences preferences through traditions, values, and social norms, which can vary widely between regions and communities. For example, food choices, fashion, music, and even communication styles are often shaped by cultural background. A person raised in a collectivist society may prioritize group harmony, while someone from an individualistic culture might value personal expression and independence. On the other hand, personal preferences are unique to each individual and are influenced by experiences, upbringing, and personality. While culture sets a broad framework, personal tastes refine and personalize choices. For instance, within the same culture, one person may love spicy food while another prefers milder flavors. Similarly, personal preferences extend to areas like hobbies, career choices, and relationships. Understanding and respecting both cultural and personal preferences is essential for fostering harmony in diverse societies. When people appreciate different cultural backgrounds and personal choices, they create inclusive environments that celebrate diversity rather than judge differences. This is particularly important in workplaces, education, and social interactions, where acknowledging and adapting to various preferences leads to better communication and mutual respect. In today's globalized world, cultural exchange is more common than ever, allowing individuals to adopt and adapt aspects of different cultures while maintaining their own personal preferences. By embracing both cultural influences and personal choices, individuals can develop a broader perspective and build meaningful connections with others.